Hey, I'm Tim. I just tested 5 tire inflators, and one of these completely rewrote what I thought was actually possible at this price point. I pushed every single one through real-world tests. Car tires, motorcycles, bikes, even basketballs. Inflation speed, accuracy, battery life, durability, everything. The results were not what I expected. Let's jump in. This one feels solid right out of the box. The Airmoto is a cordless portable inflator with a digital pressure gauge, LED light, and auto shutoff. You get 3 different valve attachments and an air hose, so it works on cars, motorcycles, bicycles, basically anything. The display is easy to read, and you can switch between PSI, kPa, BAR, and kg/cm with just a button press. I inflated a flat car tire in about 8 minutes. Not the fastest, but it got the job done. The auto shutoff is genuinely helpful. Set your desired pressure, walk away, and it stops automatically. The LED light is bright enough to work in low light situations. Here's the real problem though. The battery doesn't last super long. After inflating 3 car tires, I was watching that battery percentage drop fast. The motor also gets pretty warm during back-to-back inflations, which makes me wonder about long-term durability. For casual weekend use, this is fine, but if you're the type who inflates multiple vehicles regularly, you'll want something with better battery endurance. It's a solid entry-level pick that does what it promises, but things get a lot more interesting from here. Priced at $59.49. The AstroAI L7 is incredibly compact and light. Less than a pound. Seriously, this thing fits in your glove box and you'll forget it's there until you actually need it. It's got that true gauge screen with updated sensor technology, 4 smart preset modes, car, motorcycle, bicycle, ball, custom, and a 4,000 mAh battery. The display is sharp and readable in daylight. I inflated a 25 psi motorcycle tire in about 3 minutes, which impressed me. The preset modes are actually useful. I just tapped car, and it knew exactly what pressure I needed. Battery life is solid for a unit this small. Here's where it gets tricky. The motor is genuinely quiet, almost whisper quiet, but that comes with a trade-off. Inflating a full-size car tire from near flat took nearly 10 minutes. If you're in a rush, this isn't your tool. Also, the build feels a little plasticky compared to others on this list. The hose connection port also gets a bit loose after several uses, which is annoying. For emergency situations and light maintenance, it's perfect. For regular use on multiple vehicles, you're going to get frustrated waiting. But the next tier absolutely changes the game, priced at $22.99. The GOOLOO GT160 claims to be 4 times faster, and honestly, it backs that up. This thing has a massive 7,500 mAh battery, which is the biggest in this lineup, and you can feel the difference immediately. The motor is noticeably more powerful than the previous 2. I hit a completely flat car tire, and it went from 0 to 32 psi in about 5.5 minutes. That's genuinely impressive. The LED screen is ultra-large and crisp, easy to see from across the garage. The 4 preset inflation modes work flawlessly. The auto shutoff is rock-solid accurate. This is where the testing got interesting. I inflated 4 car tires back-to-back and the battery barely moved, still showing 75% after all that. The construction feels way more durable. Solid rubber grips, threaded connections, real heft to it. Now the flaw. The unit gets uncomfortably hot on the sides. After extended use, I had to wait a few minutes before using it again. It's not a deal breaker, but it's definitely a limitation. The design is bulkier than the cheaper options too, so it's not as pocket-friendly. It's the real workhorse of the 3 so far. Reliable, fast, powerful battery. But there's still something even better waiting at the top. Priced at $47.49. This is the heavyweight of the group. The DEWALT 20 volts max is built like a professional tool because, well, it is one. 3 power sources, 20 volts max battery, 12 volts DC car outlet, or standard 110 volts AC from your home outlet. That flexibility is genuinely useful. The threaded chuck connection is super secure. No fumbling around. The LED light is seriously bright and has a focused beam. I tested it with the battery first. That same flat car tire? 3.5 minutes flat, fastest time I've seen so far. Then I switched to the 12 volt car outlet and got the exact same speed. Consistent, reliable power no matter the source. The build quality is undeniable. Heavy-duty rubber feet, premium materials, feels like it'll outlast a decade of weekend warriors. The automatic shutoff is accurate within 0.5 psi, which is exceptional. Here's the honest part. It's bulky. This isn't something you're throwing in your glove box. It's a garage tool. Also, the battery isn't included in this version, so you need to budget for that separately if you don't already own DEWALT gear. Plus, the price point is significantly higher. For someone with a full DEWALT setup at home, or a serious DIY enthusiast, this is legitimately fantastic. For casual drivers doing occasional maintenance, it might be overkill. But the top pick takes everything DEWALT does right, and reimagines it in a way that changes everything. Priced at $127.44. This is it. The Fanttik X9 Apex is the tire inflator that completely changed my mind. Right out of the box, the design is different. It's got this ergonomic handheld grip that just makes sense. The specs alone are wild. 35 seconds to inflate a car tire from 28 to 33 psi. I timed it. 34 seconds in real life. This is the fastest inflation I've tested by a significant margin. The AccuInflate technology with high-precision sensors means the accuracy is absolute. Inflates to exactly what you set it to, then stops. No overshoot. The battery capacity is insane. 27 tires on a single charge at standard psi. I ran 10 back-to-back inflations on the third day and still had 60% battery remaining. Then I tested the power bank feature. Legit charged my phone to 45% using this thing. So it's not just an inflator, it's an emergency power backup. The LED light is bright and has multiple modes. The storage compartment at the base keeps all attachments organized. Here's what makes this special. There's zero heat buildup. Even after heavy use, the exterior stays cool. The motor is engineered differently. More efficient, smarter power management. The pressure gauge is digital and responds instantly to changes. I honestly can't find a serious flaw. If I'm nitpicking, the handheld design means you have to hold it steady during inflation, but that's actually more intuitive than the traditional mount design. For anyone who needs speed, accuracy, battery life, and reliability all in one package, this isn't just the best tire inflator on this list. It's the one that made me realize what's actually possible in this category. And that's the tire inflator that completely changed my mind. Priced at $62.99. And there you have it, 5 tire inflators tested, ranked, and the winner absolutely deserves the crown. All the links are down in the description below. Smash that like button, subscribe to Tim's Top 5, and we'll be back next week with more Top 5 breakdowns. Thanks for watching.